Alright, y'all. Tia baked her fries, but I'm about to fry mine because it's a cheat day, so I'm a cheat.
What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 Don't keep up with the Joneses.
What is up, you guys? We are finally back with some cooking with Chrystle. Y'all, all it took was me moving to Johannesburg, South Africa to make it happen. But we're here, we're making it happen, and I'm excited because I am going to be trying out a recipe that I saw on Instagram. I want to say Tia posted it or Tamara posted it. I feel bad. Now I don't know which one it was. But one of my girls from Sister posted it, and it is going to be pizza fries. So these are the things that I have. I have some sauce. It don't say pizza sauce, but it's like spaghetti sauce. You know, you gotta make do with what you find out here in these Johannesburgian streets. I have some grated Gouda cheese. I have some mozzarella cheese, so I'll have to shred this freshly because it's a block. I knew I wanted to go with something that's like pepperoni, like giving pepperoni vibes, so I got these 2 packs. This one has a Spanish trio. It's ham, torpedo. I don't know what Castellano torpedo is or Salicino, but I mean, they used it to make a charcuterie board, so it'll probably work out well. Like I said, I got this. So this don't say pepperoni, it says chorizo sarda. I was like, it looks like pepperoni, so probably. I got some mushrooms, and I have some bell peppers, and I might do my onions. I don't know. My pizza is not gonna be basic. So this is the thing. If you know me, you already know. For me to deviate from a recipe, that's nothing. And I'm definitely going to be deviating today. So I'm going to be making not like a simple pepperoni and cheese pizza like was in the video I saw. I'm going to be making more of like a supreme on my grown woman pizza. So got my grape tizer because I get thirsty. Let's get cooking, y'all. Okay, you guys, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to chop up some of my bell peppers so I can saute them. I am definitely going to be treating this pizza fry situation like a regular pizza, like as in you could just put whatever toppings you want to on there. I've actually never made this before in my life, so I'm just hoping it's going to turn out well. One thing that I am doing is I'm prepping all of my toppings first, and then I'm gonna make the french fries, and then, you know, I'm gonna be honest, I only watched like part of the video, so I'm not exactly, she had 2 pans, but I don't know why. But what I'm gonna do is I'm going to prep all my toppings, I'm gonna make my fries, and then after I make my fries, I'm gonna put all of my toppings that have been pre-made on top of my fries with the cheese, and I'm gonna melt them in the oven. Oh, let me preheat the oven. I don't know what to preheat the oven to, and I'm guessing in Celsius, and I don't know the Celsius system, so I'm just gonna put it less than 200 because they're like, if you put everything on 200, your food will burn. I was just trying to find out what the equal of like 350 is, because normally I just cook everything on 350. So I'm going to put it a little less than 200, and I'm going to hope for the best. Alright, you guys, so my veggies are all cut up, my toppings, I'm about to saute them. All right, y'all. Tia baked her fries, but I'm about to fry mine because it's a cheat day, so I'm a cheat. All right, they're bubbling up. And then I actually am still gonna stick them in the oven after this just to keep them nice and crispy while I finish up my other stuff. Let's get to it. Okay, you guys, I couldn't find any shredded mozzarella cheese, so I'm gonna have to grate this myself. I don't know which one to use. I guess I'll use this. Oh, I was going the wrong way. It's gonna take forever. Yo, who's gonna clean this? This is a very soft cheese to be grating, but I couldn't find shredded. Y'all, this is like so much work for like so little results. I'm like in this moment thinking, should I just try to chop it up really small maybe? This grater is not giving. It's not giving what it's supposed to. All right, you guys, they are guessing a movie, so that's what they're talking about in the background, trying to see what we're gonna watch for family movie night. I'm gonna finish up this pizza situation. I put my fries in here, and now I'm gonna put my mozzarella cheese on top. Plenty.
Making French fry cheese?
I'm making pizza fries. And there should be enough cheese for the cheesy pizza situation. Now we're gonna see about these pepperoni things. I'm not going to put my veggies on there immediately because I don't want them to make my pizza soggy. So I'm gonna put this in the oven for a little bit, and the last thing I'll do is I'll top it off with the veggies. Wait, I almost forgot the sauce. That's what makes it pizza fries. Okay. So let's pop this in the oven. It's looking yummy, I guess. All right, and it's layered. Got the fries at the bottom, all the stuff. Let's pop it in the oven. Okay, pizza fry. My first time ever trying like pizza fries, so let's see. It's good. If you like fries and you like pizza, this is the dish for you. Pizza fries. Like, comment, subscribe. That's it. All right, y'all. So I thought some more about it, and as I kept eating the fries, I was just like convinced just because you like two things doesn't mean they should be combined. I probably will never make pizza fries again. I wish I could undo this and just have my fries back. But that's just me.